be asked by Mr. Roland Laguerta.
Okay, this is a very simple question. As proud student of PSU Lareta, how are you going to promote, or in what way you are going to promote your school? I repeat, as proud student of PSU Lareta, in what way you are going to promote your school?
Thank you for that question, sir. As proud student of PSU, I will promote my school in such a way that kaya mo yan.
Hoy, huwag kayong maingay.
Okay, quietly from the audience para medyo makapag-isip ang ating candidate.
Kaya mo yan.
So how are you going to promote your school? Candidate number 1.
I will promote my school sa paraang
Sige. Kaya mo yan.
pagiging talento.
Talentado.
Alam ko, hindi lang sa academics, magaling ang PSU, magaling din sila sa talent, and that's all. Thank you.
Woo!